Okay, so today we're doing a review of the Belstaff Burnt Orange Cap. Just arrived today. Okay, so it's come in a really thick bag, which is one of those ones if you open properly you can reseal to send it back. And obviously already a return label as well, which is pretty cool. It's always nice to know you can return something if you don't like it. Okay, so this is, yeah, it feels, I've started to wear a lot of caps recently, and this feels on par with a new era cap, I'd say. Probably a little bit softer, if anything. It's got these raised 3D bubble, they call it, stitching. That's really nice, and it's kind of like, it looked worn on the images, but it's not actually worn. Look to it, it looks quite fresh and new actually in the flesh. But it looks like it will really wear nicely. It's got that nice cotton that will fade with the sun and it'll sort of look better as the years go on. It's got a nice brass, there it is. There's a nice brass Belstaff clip which just adjusts there. You can adjust the size. Yeah, that's really nice. So that's 40 quid direct from Belstaff at the moment, one size. A lot for a hat, but I just had to have that, I'm afraid. It's so cool.